Here's a great new arrival just in at RV Depot. It's a 2022 Forest River Wildwood 33TS. This amazing travel trailer has 3 slide-outs, expanding your living space wherever you set up camp. Inside is a spacious and stylish central kitchen and living area. This includes a 3-person convertible sofa and a cozy entertainment area with electric fireplace. The kitchen is packed with full-sized appliances, all within reach for easy meal prep. With a large capacity refrigerator, there's no shortage of room to store food for the entire trip. And look at this inviting convertible booth dinette. In the bathroom, you'll find a radius corner sliding glass door shower with a skylight, giving you extra headroom and plenty of light. In the rear, the private bunk room is a haven for kids or guests, complete with 3 bunks and wardrobe storage, ensuring everyone has their own space. Every corner of the Wildwood 33TS is designed blending comfort and aesthetic appeal, including the master bedroom with a queen-sized bed and barn-style door wardrobe closet. The large side closet is prepped for a washer and dryer, and there's plenty of storage everywhere to keep everything neat and organized. With features like these, it's perfect for family adventures, combining all the comforts of home with the freedom to explore. Act fast and take this one along on your next getaway. Go to RV Depot today.